Hey Libra, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July.
So this is telling me that somebody's still moving slow as hell, okay? Somebody's still moving slow. I feel like they have something that they want to say to you, but they're not. It's like they're going back and forth, back and forth. Yeah, I feel like somebody's feeling guilty about the way that they treated you. Or maybe, you know, you're feeling guilty. Now, let me say this, y'all. I have to say this every time because y'all know I read the comments. This is a general reading, okay? This is a general reading, so may not apply directly for you and your situation. And it could go vice versa. So take whatever fits for you. If it doesn't resonate, this message wasn't for you. And again, check the other videos for your other signs. All right, great. Now that we got that out the way. So, I feel like you guys are just looking at this person because I told y'all somebody's coming back in. And you were the one doing all the work. And I feel like they're recognizing this, which is why they want you to forgive them, because they're getting ready to come back and give you some type of offer. But you guys are looking at them like really sideways at this point. Yep, because they put you in a third-party situation. But also, again, because you were the one doing everything. While they were off entertaining other people, it's like you were really putting your 100% of the effort, your heart, into the relationship or into this person. Tell me more. Yeah, y'all cut this person off. Y'all cut him off. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or another Libra like yourself. But you're looking at this individual like you don't see yourself having a new beginning with them because you're tired of this cycle that they keep putting you through. I feel like this isn't the first time somebody's messed up. This has been going on. And I'm picking up for a lot of y'all. Somebody's made a decision here. Tell me more. Okay, so it's still that back and forth energy, Libra. 1 minute, somebody wants something to improve with you. Or maybe you want things to improve with this person because maybe you really do still care and love this person. But at the end of the day, because they put you in some type of third-party situation or they betrayed your trust, you're like, I don't know if things will improve, to be honest with you. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign here. An Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. But I feel like it's asking you guys to stay positive here. That's pretty much it. Stay on your throne. Stay positive because things could work out in your favor. Okay, so, guys, whoever messed up, right, they're keeping a close eye on you. They're spying, okay? They're watching you very closely, whether you know it or not. Some of you guys can feel it. For some of y'all, you can't. But I'm here to tell you, they're watching y'all, okay? They're watching you on social media. They could be driving past your house. They're talking to other friends and family members who you're probably friends with on social media to see what the hell you got going on. And the reason why they're doing that is because they want to come in really quickly to give you some type of offer. Now, this person. Okay, hold on. Tell me more. Yeah, okay. This person basically, they know they messed up. This is what I was telling y'all in the beginning. They know they messed up bad, right? And it's just to the point where because you cut them off, they've had a lot of time to think. Now they want to rush in, but they're scared that you're going to reject them. Which is why they're watching you to see what you got going on. If you're talking to anybody else, if, you know, just see if you still hate them. But, yeah, so some of them, they definitely cleared away those other options that they had. But for others of you, I do feel like that could be the case. But when you look at them, you feel like there's no other option here. Like, what do you want? Why are you still trying to come towards me? I'm tired of going through this with you. It's the same repeated cycle, the same story. It ends the same way. Every time, you know, you mess up, I cut you off. You know, I go my way, you go your way. And then as soon as I get happy or I'm starting to talk to somebody else, you come back in making all these promises that you can't keep. You're not consistent. And then when things get hard, you end up running away. Why? Why should I put myself through this? This person causing imbalance in the relationship. And that's why some of y'all are like, no, I want someone new. I don't want this old person anymore. But this person's not letting y'all go. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini. But yeah, this person, I feel like they were just, somebody's confused. And I know somebody's like, he won't confuse, she won't confuse. They knew what the hell they was doing. But it's like, I don't know, for some of you guys, I feel like it's deeper than what you guys are looking at. This goes back to family, like how they were brought up, what they saw, somebody was shut down. But, you know, it's no excuse, because as a grown man or a grown woman, at some point in time in your life, you got to stop pointing your fingers at everybody else, and you got to start doing pointing back at yourself, okay? Because when you're like, look, we're just not going to do this, okay? We're just not. We're not going to keep making excuses for, you know, grown-ass men and grown-ass women. We're not doing that, guys. All right, so anyway, as I was saying before I went left, this person knows that they cause an imbalance in the relationship. And so, again, I'm telling y'all, they want to come back to give you some type of offer, but they really feel like you're going to reject it. And that's why they're isolating themselves. So, can't make this up if I wanted to. Look at that. But somebody wants happiness here. Ooh. Somebody's manifesting. Somebody is trying to stay positive about it. I'm going to be honest with you. Pregnancy is still in the air for somebody here. Now, alright. Oh, and then I just looked. Okay, let me just say this. This is kind of split. For a lot of you guys, I do feel like this person wants to come back to give you this offer, right? They're scared you're going to reject it, but you make them very happy. And they're trying their best to manifest you back into their life. They're trying to clean things up. They're trying to remain positive. Now, for, I'm not going to say others. It's like a small percentage of y'all out there. This person is scared that you're going to reject them because they do want to come back and give you the offer, right? But they're scared you're going to reject them because they could have gotten someone else pregnant, or there's like a baby somewhere out there. Maybe you don't know about it, maybe you do. Maybe that's why you're hurting, like, I don't want to deal with this person. But, yeah, they want to come back, but there's just a lot of conflict here, and that's why they feel like they can't turn things around. Now, for others of y'all, because it's like I'm picking up so many different things. For others of you guys, this person's going to come back, and I have to be honest with you, you're going to take them back. Things about to get popping, and somebody's getting pregnant. Somebody's getting pregnant fast. So, yeah. But, yeah, look at this. Okay. So, somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio here. I do feel like this person, I mean, y'all got them shaking in their boots, okay? This is why they're not approaching you. This is why they're not taking the initiative to come towards you. It's like they really do feel like they're not going to have a new beginning here. They know that they didn't bring security into the situation with you. They know you're looking at them sideways, like you don't trust, him, you don't trust her. But they're still coming back to give you this offer. The offer's coming. It's just, when is the question. Look, somebody's scared that you're not going to move forward with them. Y'all know this can go vice versa, so take it however it fits for your situation. But I just heard, okay, for some of you guys, it's really, honestly, like this person could have been out there, like, playing around, whatever the case is, but it was nothing serious. To be honest with you, what's really stopping y'all from getting together, their money isn't where it needs to be. That's really what it is, and I feel like they're trying to throw themselves into their career. They're just trying to save their money. I don't know who that was for, but yeah. For somebody, it's really not a third party here. What is that? For others of y'all, yeah, it is. It's a third party. Unfortunately, I hate to say it, but I gotta be honest. Y'all know third parties. It doesn't have to be another man, woman. Could be family member, friends, whoever. But yeah, that, is a situation. But I'm telling y'all, for some of you guys, somebody's definitely throwing themselves into work. They're trying to work hard to be able to save up some money so that when they come back towards you, they have something basically to approach you with. You know, y'all don't want to be dealing with nobody ain't got no money. We're Libras. What? We don't do broke, okay? So, not to say money is everything, but to, y'all, it's cold, okay? This person has to get it together. But anyway, I do feel like this person now has confidence because they do really want to put in the work to fix things with you. I'm telling y'all, somebody is worried about money here. Somebody's finances are not balanced, and that's why they're having a hard time. For others of you guys, they just know that they cause an imbalance in the relationship. And that's why they're having a hard time approaching you. Tell me more. Look, you can't make this up. I'm telling y'all, somebody, I don't know who this is for, but somebody, it's really about money, guys. Somebody is not happy where their finances are. And that's why they feel like the relationship is not going to improve until they get it together. But somebody could be dealing with a Pisces here. But the truth is coming out. I do feel like this person wants to rush in really fast. And they want to give you some type of truth. They want to tell you something. Possibly give you the truth about a third party. They could want to tell you, you know, how they feel. Tell you that they want to be with you. You know, let you know about their financial situation. That's what's really holding them back. Maybe they want to start over. I mean, y'all, this can go so many ways. I'm picking up a lot. Okay. It's like they want to rush in, but for some of you guys, you're not taking a leap towards this person because I'm telling you, y'all, they hurt you. But that's why you guys have the forgiving and learning card. You guys are still holding on. And regardless, if you take this person back or not, y'all need to let that hurt go. You have to forgive. Forgive for yourself. You don't have to forget what they did. Just forgive and let it go. Because that energy and that aura that you're having, you know, around you, for the simple fact that you're still holding on to what this person did to you, do you not realize y'all are basically going to attract that type of energy into your life? So if you want somebody good coming in, you have got to let it go. You got to let it go. Y'all got me preaching on a Saturday. But honestly, I feel like this person really wants to come in to tell you how they feel. But they're not taking the leap because they know they messed up. They really don't know how to approach you, and that's why the communication is coming in slow. You know, they're back and forth whether or not they're going to be able to have a victory with you. They really want to be with you, but they feel stupid. They feel really stupid right now. Look at that. It's like there was a tower moment here. Something came crashing down, guys, on their end. That's why it's like, I told you, like something basically came out. I feel like the universe intervened because the BS that they were doing, whatever they were doing, whoever they were messing with, whatever the case is, they were like, you know what, enough is enough. Something came crumbling down. Now they're sitting back thinking, I made the biggest mistake of my life. They don't want you to walk away. And this is why I keep getting that back and forth energy, because it's like they want to rush in to tell you how sorry they are. But honestly, here goes the ego and pride that I'm picking up. It's like, that's what's holding them back. Look at that. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign here. Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo, but they're having a hard time coming towards you because they feel stupid. They made the wrong decision. And now they have to tell you the truth. They know you don't want to hear anything but the truth, okay? And they know they have to give it to you. But they're scared if they come clean and give you this truth, you're still not going to take them back. So, I don't know. They need to put that to the side, because you guys, for the ones who were done wrong, you really did put everything into this person. You really tried to start something. You really tried to build something here. And basically you were vulnerable, okay? You put it all out on the line for this person to sit here and reject you. So now the tables are turned. They're scared to come towards you because they don't want to be rejected. That's not how it works. They need to learn how to be vulnerable. They need to put that ego and pride to the side. It's all or nothing. Period, point blank. Ooh, no, that's too many. Alright. Look at that. I'm telling y'all, this person really wants to talk to you, but they're not. They're holding back. that was your reading. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonated for you guys. All right, guys. Talk to you soon.